But just to summarize, I'm a big fan. I think that having a menu, foundational menu, core items is a really good idea with certain specials that you bring in. They could be seasonal specials. They don't have to be weekly specials because a weekly special could be too dynamic for your business. But you might have a seasonal special when watermelon juice comes in season, or maybe you've got, pears that are in season, so you create a very simple pear juice. Okay, these are things that you can also discount slightly so that it incentivizes people to buy them, assuming you still maintain your profit margin. So maybe if your average price point for your juices are something like $6 or $8, maybe you might say, okay, this is $5 or $7, so save $1 when you buy this special. And it creates urgency because you can sign up email blasts on your Instagram, wherever you're marketing to people. Come down for this season special, limited time. People, as they say, scarcity defines value and provides value. And so if you are in a place where you wanted to create a little bit of scarcity to get more customers in at a given period of time, having people think in their mind that, oh, this is only going to be on the shelf for another week, 2 weeks, or whatever the time frame is, could be really helpful when it comes to getting people back into the business. So I highly recommend it, but it does take a certain amount of understanding operationally to do this well and execute on it well. But as a theory and as a strategy, I'm a big fan.